Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone involved in technical, vocational education and training, the Quality Assurance Framework. Ensuring the quality of vocational education programs is paramount. Quality assurance, QA, plays a vital role in maintaining high standards, boosting the credibility of educational institutions, and ultimately enhancing the employability of graduates. QA ensures that vocational education programs are relevant, up-to-date, and aligned with the needs of the labor market. It provides a structured approach to evaluate and improve educational processes, ensuring students gain the skills and knowledge required to thrive in their chosen careers. In this session, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of building a robust quality assurance framework, tailored specifically for vocational education programs. Whether you're an educator, administrator, or policymaker, this blueprint will equip you with the essential tools and insights to elevate your educational offerings. Now, let's begin by understanding what quality assurance, or QA, means and what its role is in vocational education. QA is a systematic process of checking whether a product or service being developed meets specified requirements. In vocational education, QA ensures that educational programs meet the required standards and are continuously improved. QA encompasses a range of activities, including developing quality standards, regular monitoring and evaluation, and implementing improvements based on feedback and assessment results. But why is quality assurance so crucial for vocational education programs? First and foremost, QA ensures that vocational education programs remain relevant and aligned with industry needs. This alignment is essential as it guarantees that students gain the skills employers seek, making them more employable. Secondly, QA helps maintain and enhance the credibility of educational institutions. When quality is assured, it builds trust among stakeholders, including students, parents, employers, and regulatory bodies. Furthermore, QA contributes to improved student outcomes. By continuously assessing and refining vocational education programs, educational institutions can provide a better learning experience, leading to higher student satisfaction and success rates. Finally, a robust QA framework supports the overall development of the education system. It fosters a culture of excellence and accountability, ensuring that all aspects of the training process are subject to scrutiny and improvement. Quality assurance is the backbone of effective and efficient vocational education programs. It ensures that institutions deliver high-quality education that meets the evolving needs of the labor market and society. Now, let's dive into the heart of the session, building your quality assurance framework. We will go through a step-by-step guide to ensure an effective QA framework for vocational education programs. Step 1. Define purpose and scope. First, we need to define the purpose and scope of your QA framework. Setting clear objectives is crucial as it guides the entire QA process. Your objectives should focus on ensuring quality in education, improving student outcomes, and meeting industry standards. Determine the scope by identifying the specific areas and activities your QA framework will cover. This can include curriculum development, teaching methodologies, assessment processes, and administrative procedures. By clearly defining the purpose and scope, you set a solid foundation for your QA framework, ensuring all stakeholders understand the goals and boundaries of the QA activities. Step 2. Establish standards and benchmarks. Establish your QA framework's standards and benchmarks. These should be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART standards ensure clarity and focus, making measuring progress and achieving your QA objectives easier. It's also essential to align these standards with industry benchmarks to ensure your programs meet the current demands of the labor market. Industry-aligned benchmarks enhance the relevance of your training programs and increase their credibility with employers and other stakeholders. Step 3. Develop QA processes and procedures. The next step is to develop detailed QA processes and procedures. Key areas to focus on include curriculum review, teaching evaluation, and student feedback. Curriculum review ensures that the content remains relevant and up-to-date. Teaching evaluations help maintain high teaching standards, and student feedback provides insights into the learning experience. Documentation is vital throughout this process. Proper documentation ensures transparency and accountability and provides a system for continuous improvement. Step 4. Implement training and capacity building. This is essential for the success of your QA framework. Start with initial training to familiarize staff with QA processes and standards. Continuous professional development is equally important, ensuring staff stay updated with the latest practices and industry trends. Role-specific training addresses the unique needs of different staff members, enhancing overall effectiveness. Investing in training and capacity building empowers your team to implement and sustain the QA framework effectively. Step 5. Establish continuous monitoring and evaluation. This is a critical component of a robust QA framework. Implement monitoring mechanisms to assess the effectiveness of your programs and processes regularly. Data analysis helps identify areas for improvement, while stakeholder feedback provides valuable insights from those directly involved in and affected by the training programs. Regularly evaluating your QA framework ensures it remains effective and responsive to changing needs and challenges. Step 6. Engage with stakeholders. This is crucial for the success and sustainability of your QA framework. Involve students, teachers, employers, and industry representatives in the QA process. Stakeholder involvement fosters a sense of ownership and collaboration, leading to more effective and practical improvements. Establishing partnerships with industry can provide valuable support and resources for your QA activities. Engaging with stakeholders ensures that your QA framework is comprehensive and grounded in real-world needs and perspectives. Now that we've outlined the steps to build a quality assurance framework, let's explore the significant benefits of implementing a strong QA framework in your vocational education programs. First and foremost, a robust QA framework leads to improved educational quality. By continuously evaluating and refining your programs, you ensure that the curriculum is current, teaching methods are effective, and resources are optimized. Quality education enhances the learning experience and ensures students receive a relevant education that prepares them for the workforce. Improved educational quality is the cornerstone of a successful vocational education program and sets the stage for the next benefit. Another significant benefit is enhanced student outcomes and employability. With a strong QA framework, students are more likely to receive high-quality education that equips them with the skills and knowledge employers need. Graduates from programs with robust QA frameworks tend to have higher graduation rates, better job readiness, and increased employability. This not only benefits the students but also enhances the reputation of the educational institution. By focusing on student outcomes and employability, you're investing in the future success of your students and your institution. Implementing a strong QA framework fosters stronger industry partnerships. When your programs consistently meet industry standards, it builds trust and credibility with employers and industry stakeholders. These partnerships can lead to collaborative projects, internship opportunities, and direct job placements for your students. Additionally, industry partners can provide valuable insights and resources to align your programs with market needs. A strong QA framework for vocational education programs leads to improved educational quality, enhanced student outcomes and employability, and stronger industry partnerships. These benefits create a positive feedback loop, continuously elevating the standards and impact of your educational offerings. Implementing a QA framework is not without its challenges. Let's discuss some potential obstacles and how to tackle them effectively. Common challenges include resistance to change, lack of resources, insufficient training, and inconsistent standards. Let's break these down one by one. First, resistance to change is a common obstacle. Staff and stakeholders may be reluctant to adopt new processes and standards. To overcome this, stakeholders should be engaged early in the process. Communicate the benefits of the QA framework and demonstrate how it will improve educational outcomes and institutional credibility. Creating a culture of continuous improvement and involving staff in decision-making can also help mitigate resistance. Next, a lack of resources can be a significant barrier. Implementing a QA framework requires time, money, and personnel. Efficient resource allocation is key. Prioritize critical areas and seek external funding or grants where possible. Collaborating with industry partners can also provide additional resources and support. Effective planning and budgeting are essential to ensure a sustainable QA framework. Insufficient training is another common challenge. Staff may lack the necessary skills and knowledge to implement QA processes effectively. Address this by developing comprehensive training programs. Invest in continuous professional development and provide role-specific training to ensure all staff members are equipped to contribute to the QA framework. By building a skilled and knowledgeable team, you enhance the overall effectiveness of your QA framework. Inconsistent standards can undermine the effectiveness of your QA framework. Quality standards vary across different departments or programs, leading to confusion and inefficiency. Standardized guidelines must be established to tackle this, and regular audits must be conducted to ensure compliance. Promote cross-departmental coordination to maintain consistency in quality standards. Consistency is key to ensuring that all aspects of your QA framework are aligned and effective. Overcoming challenges in implementing a QA framework requires engaging stakeholders, efficient resource allocation, comprehensive training, and maintaining consistent standards. You can proactively build a robust and effective QA framework for your vocational education programs by addressing these obstacles. To enhance the quality of vocational education programs, staying ahead of emerging trends and technologies in quality assurance is important. Let's look at future trends shaping the landscape of technical, vocational education and training quality assurance. The world of quality assurance is constantly evolving and driven by new technologies and innovative practices. Here are some of the key trends to watch out for. Some of the emerging trends and technologies in QA include digital learning platforms, data analytics, artificial intelligence and machine learning, blockchain technology, and virtual and augmented reality. Digital learning platforms are transforming how education is delivered and assessed. These platforms provide flexible and accessible learning opportunities, enabling real-time monitoring and feedback. Integrating digital learning platforms into QA processes can enhance the tracking of student progress, facilitate interactive learning experiences, and ensure that education is accessible to a broader audience. Data analytics is becoming increasingly important in QA. By leveraging big data, institutions can gain insights into student performance, program effectiveness, and operational efficiency. Using data analytics, institutions can continuously identify trends, predict outcomes, and make data-driven decisions to improve the quality of their vocational education programs. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing QA processes. These technologies can automate routine tasks, analyze large datasets, and provide personalized learning experiences. Artificial intelligence and machine learning can enhance the efficiency and accuracy of QA processes, allowing institutions to focus on strategic improvements and tailored educational experiences. Blockchain technology offers promising applications in QA, particularly in verifying credentials and ensuring the integrity of educational records. By implementing blockchain, institutions can provide secure and transparent verification of qualifications, enhancing trust and credibility in the technical, vocational education and training sector. Virtual and augmented reality are emerging as powerful tools in vocational education. These technologies provide immersive learning experiences that can simulate real-world scenarios. Using VR and AR in QA, institutions can offer hands-on training in a controlled environment, improving skill acquisition and student engagement. The future of technical, vocational education and training quality assurance is shaped by digital learning platforms, data analytics, AI and machine learning, blockchain technology, and virtual and augmented reality. Embracing these emerging trends and technologies will enable institutions to enhance their QA processes, ensuring they remain relevant and effective in a rapidly changing educational landscape. We've reached the end of our guide on building a quality assurance framework for vocational education programs. Following the steps outlined in this session, you can build a robust and effective quality assurance framework that enhances the quality and credibility of your vocational education programs. Now is the time to start implementing these QA practices in your institutions. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. For more resources and detailed information, visit our website, the link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Start your QA journey today.